This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joseph Parr. Open house this Saturday, March 18th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Beautiful like new 3-bedroom/2-bath home in Newberry Corners. Built in 2020, this open concept floor plan is perfect for family gatherings or entertaining, with the kitchen open to the living and dining room. Recessed lighting and tile throughout main living area are an added bonus. The kitchen has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances with double ovens plus a cooktop and island with hanging pot rack and bar seating for convenience. Owner's suite has tray ceilings, walk-in closet and double sinks with walk-in shower. Large interior laundry room with additional cabinet space. Covered lanai overlooks the fully fenced backyard with vinyl fencing. The garage has a mini split air conditioner unit which makes for a perfect home gym or climate-controlled storage. For more information, review the details below.